my name's Pauline and I'm from Sydney, Australia. This is my analog motion bike with a Swytch kit attached. I live in Pimlico and I was cycling to my friends in East London, West, South, everywhere. But I was tired of rocking up to events sweaty and drained. When I first sat on this, it was definitely like, oh wow, like this is amazing. Like it's pushing, it's like someone's pushing you in the back, and you're moving your legs, but it just moves for you. I have 2 batteries for longer journeys, so I just clip out this battery here and I put in my max battery, and there we go. So the way the Swytch kit works is as you pedal, the pedal sensor picks up the magnets on this disc here, which then sends a signal to the battery down there, and then that kicks in the motor wheel here. So it sort of works like this. Nice. Yeah, so the display works by pressing and holding this button here. On the right are the power levels, so you can go up to 5 different power levels like this. Looks pretty solid, pretty durable. It looks like it could go pretty far. That was amazing. To anyone who's thinking of getting a Swytch bike, I'd say just do it. It's so easy to convert your existing bike and I love it.